Yeah, yeah. Hey, tell them when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with them chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my app and I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in this good kitchen. So we have some chicken breast right here. We're about to slice it open, cut it open. We have our shrimp, our vegetables, baby spinach, mushrooms. We're about to stuff this chicken into something delicious. Alright, so we're gonna do, we'll go ahead and slice a nice little split in here. Just halfway, not all the way. Just want to open it up. And make sure your knife is sharp. So I want to give it a nice little pocket. Just like that. So we'll do the same thing to the other one. Okay, so we have our cream cheese. Now we'll add a little mozzarella cheese in there. And there we'll add our mushrooms. And we'll add our baby spinach. Right there, we'll take our hands and just go crazy, just like so. We'll do the same thing. We'll add the shrimps to it. Do the same thing. Just put it in here, go crazy, mix everything together. So we'll grab these shrimps, mix them in, put them in just like that. Just mix it. Okay, so now we're going to season our chicken. First we go pour a little vegetable oil. Alright, so we got our vegetable oil. We want that seasoning to stick. Go ahead with some paprika for that color. Give it that nice little color. Herb, some basil. And once we finish seasoning it up, we'll go ahead and rub all that seasoning in. Some dry seasoning. We're trying to stay away from the salt. Some oregano. Some more herb. Some Italian. Never leave home without it. That good Italian seasoning. And some lemon pepper. Okay, so we have that nice and seasoned. Now stuff. We'll go ahead and give it a nice little seasoning also. Some of that good lemon pepper. And some Italian seasoning. Now we're gonna mix everything in. We're gonna start stuffing. Okay, so I just grab me a handful. Go ahead and toss it in there. Wow. Give it a nice little stuff. We're going to do the same. The other piece. Give it a nice little stuff. Just like so. Okay, so we have our vegetable oil in here. Get the oil nice and hot. Boom. Let them face each other. Just like so. You just cook it like you're cooking chicken. Alright, so I'm gonna let this cook for a while. So I say on this side, like 5 minutes. I'm gonna put the top on there. Then at the top, once that top, all that heat will rise. It will cook the shrimp in there. Everything else in there will cook it. So we'll leave it on the stove for a good 10 minutes. If so, then we'll throw it in the oven. My oven preheated to 400. Okay, so now we'll go ahead and flip it. Just like so. You gotta be careful, cause some of that inside will try to fall out. So what I did, I adjusted the heat on my oven to 350. 400 is for the color, But doing it on the stove is giving it a nice little color to it. So we just want to make sure we throw it in the oven. It just cooks slow, not fast, because we don't want to burn it. But it got that beautiful color right there. That's just what I'm looking for, right there. So give it like 5 minutes, like this. Then it's going in the oven for about 20 minutes, if so. Because you want to make sure the outside might look good, but the inside of that chicken, it's not going to be done. Okay, so here we go right here. So this 10 minutes on the stove, 5 minutes on each side. Now we go ahead and throw it in the oven on 350 for 20 to 25 minutes, if so, with the top on. And like I said, if you don't have no top to your skillet, just throw some aluminum foil over it and poke some holes on top. Throw it in the oven, and it's gonna get the job done. Okay, so here we go right here. Food is nice and done, delicious. We'll call this that delicious 3-in-1. We have that chicken, we have shrimp, we have our vegetables, baby spinach. Look at it, fire. When I say it's fire, yes, it's fire. It just takes a little bit of time and patience. You can make it happen. Cook a nice, delicious dinner for the family. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget, hit that bell notification. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit dice.